Good evening friends. I hope you are following the physics lectures. Today our goal is to learn about the speed. So let me take the definition of the speed. So speed is nothing but the rate of change of position of an object with time in any direction is called speed. So it is a somewhat difficult definition is there. You can go to the easy definition. The rate of distance travelled by an object in any direction is called speed. So the rate of change of distance travelled by an object in any direction is called the speed. So we can have the two definition. So the rate of change of distance is called the speed. Also we can take the shortest definition, very small definition. Now the mathematical expression for the speed, if you go to the mathematical expression, means the distance travelled by the body divided by the time taken by the body, that is called the mathematical definition. So here is the any direction we can take, that means we are not specifying the direction, in all direction we can take along the path of the journey of the object. Now let me go to the is the distance travelled by the body. Here is the distance is there, distance is the scalar quantity. As this is the scalar quantity, time is also scalar quantity, then speed must be a scalar quantity. Speed is a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity, because of distance is a scalar quantity. Now units of the speed, what are the units of speed? The distance is the units is the meter, the time is in seconds, that is equal to SI units are the meter second inverse, this is the SI units. Now CGS units means the distance you can use centimeter, the time is taken as the second inverse, this is the CGS units of the time. Now if you go to the dimensional formula, means distance is denoted with L, time is denoted by T, that is equal to the dimensional formula m power 0, L power 1, T power minus 1. This is the dimensional formula for the speed. Now we have the different types of speed, those are the very important. So problems are repeatedly coming in this one. So speed is a scalar quantity, we are already discussed, and also the mathematical formula, units and everything we discussed. And let me go to the types of different types of speed. There are the four types of speeds are there. One is the uniform speed, another one is the variable speed, it is also called as the non-uniform speed, and average speed also is there, and instantaneous speed. These are all the different types of speed. Let me go to the one by one. Let me take the uniform speed. What does that mean by uniform speed? So when the object can be said to be an uniform speed, means if it covers equal distance in equal interval of time, then the object said to be a uniform speed. That means we can modify this equation. That means let me take the S1 is covered in time T1. So the again another time is T2, where is becoming the T1, the same time is I am taking, then S2 we are getting another distance, so that must be S1. That is the definition here it is. So if it covers equal distance in equal interval of time, our time is equal, then there must be the distance must be covered by the body, must be equal distance, it must be covered. So one more condition is there, if the time is very small, that is the time interval is maybe small, then the covering of distance must be equal, even though the time interval is very small, that the distance covered by the object must be a constant. That means I am taking here is the 10 seconds I am taking, so the time the distance is I am taking 10 meters. If I am taking 1 second, means the same distance you should cover 1 meter, same ratio I am taking. 10 seconds, 10 meter means 1 second means 1 meter you should cover. So even the time intervals may be small, that the distance must be covered by the object must be equal. That is the very important condition. One more time taking, if it covers equal distance in equal interval of time, then the body is said to be a uniform, that body is under the uniform speed. That means even the time interval may be small, then the body is said to be a uniform speed. Let me go to the another condition. So what is second one is the variable speed or non-uniform speed. Now if you understand the previous definition, then you can easily say that what does it mean by non-uniform. So if it covers equal distance in equal interval of time, so this is that we'll call it as a uniform speed. Now I am writing here is the unequal word means if it cover unequal distance in equal interval of time, means the body is not covering, the distances are not equal, so but the time is equal, then the type of speed is named it as a non-uniform speed or variable speed. Otherwise you can change if it covers equal distance in unequal interval of time. So we are modifying this, so that means S1 is not equal to S2 is not equal to S3, even T1 is equal to T2 is equal to T3. That means we are taking some interval of time, first 10 second, next 10 second, third 10 seconds I am taking. Let me take like journey is like this. The first taken 10 second the body is covered 4 meters, that first 10 seconds. The second 10 second the body is covered 6 meters. The third 10 seconds the body is covered 10 meters. That means S1 and S2 and S3 is not equal, but time is the same. So then that type of speed is named as the variable speed. Okay, no issue. Now we can take another definition. We can take another definition if it covers equal distance in unequal interval of time. That means the S1 is equal to S2 is equal to S3 we are getting, but T1 is not equal to T2 is not equal to T3. That we are getting. That means the same above equation what I am saying. Here is the distance is the 1 meter. Here also 1 meter. Here also 1 meter we are getting the covering. But the first case time is taken 10 seconds. The second case I am getting 12 seconds. The third case I am getting 15 seconds. That means the time is varying, but distance covered by the object is same. So that type of speed is named as the variable speed or non-uniform speed. Let me go to the third definition. What is the third definition? The average speed. What does it mean by average speed? Means if it is the ratio of the total distance traveled by the object to the total time taken to cover the distance. Very important definition this one. So the average speed, based on the average speed, some of the problems they are asking. So the average speed is nothing but we are taking the ratio between the total distance covered by the body to total time taken by the body. This is the mathematical expression for the body. So here is the total distance. So that means S total, we can take the simplest formula, S total divided by T total. This is the formula for the average speed. Then V average, this must be, I am not writing here V bar, that is the V means speed only. V average. So let me take VAVG, average is equal to S total distance divided by T total. This is the value for this one. Now this we have the average speed formula, mathematical formula. We can use this formula in several methods. Let me take after this one I will go to the another definition. Let me go to the fourth one, instantaneous speed. What does it mean by instantaneous speed? So the speed of an object at any particular instant of time. So let me take one vehicle is going like this. This is the vehicle is going like this direction at particular time. Let me at exactly 10 seconds what is the speed of the object, that is named as the instantaneous speed. Or we can take another definition, the speed of an object at any particular point. That means exactly at 10 kilometer stone at 10 kilometer point, what is the speed of the object, that is also we will name it as the instantaneous speed. So the instantaneous speed is having the two definitions, the speed of the object at particular time or the speed of the object at particular instant or particular point, that is named as the instantaneous speed. So the instantaneous speed, the mathematical value for the instantaneous speed can be taken as the, we will derive with the average speed. Average speed value is equal to, it is the delta x divided by delta t formula is there. Now this is the delta t, delta x mean can be named as the total distance, delta t is named as the total time. So instantaneous speed having the formula is equal to V is equal to limit delta t tends to 0, delta x by delta t, that is equal to dx by dt. This is the mathematical formula. Now here is the dx by dt is nothing but it is the first order derivative of the x with respect to time. So for this one I am going to use one small formula how to find the instantaneous speed from the equation. So they are giving this, it is the distance covered by the body. Distance is equal to x at square bt square. So at cubed bt square plus ct plus d. This is the distance distance equation with respect to time. They are giving with respect to time. They are giving the distance is like this. Now how can you use this one? See, the instantaneous speed means the first order derivative of x with respect to time. Now we need to do first order derivation of given equation dx by dt. The instantaneous speed is equal to dx by dt and at square at cubed bt square plus c plus d, ct plus d is there we are having. So do this differentiation. If we do this first order differentiation means 3at square we will get. So if we do this one means 2bt we will get, bt we will get. If we do this one means c we will get, this value is equal to 0. This is the instantaneous speed. Now if you can substitute the t value in this above equation, you will get the instantaneous speed of the object at particular time. Now let me go to the average speed special cases. So the average speed having the particular of different cases is there. Let me go to the, so these are the very important formula they will ask in your examination. Let me check this one. So the average speed, they may ask to find out the average speed in the different position. First one, they may provide the distances of the object and velocity of the particular distance. To cover this distance, they will provide the how much speed is having the object. Then they may ask the question, what is the speed of the, so mathematical formula speed, average speed formula we are using, V average of the speed is equal to total distance, yes, total divided by t total. This is the value we are having, t total. So but they are not provided the t value here, then we can use S1. See, that is equal to S1 plus S2 plus and so on, how many Sn they are provided, divided by T1 plus T2 plus and so on. We need to take it as the Tn. This is the formula we are having. So then here is the S1, S2, S3 they are having, but V1, V2, V3 only velocities are given. From this equation we have the formula, speed is equal to, what is the formula? Speed is equal to distance by time. So then time is equal to distance by speed, we are having formula. So these are the speeds, so then we can get the, so from this equation what is the time here? That is equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3. The first time what we can take here is the S1 divided by V1 we can take, that is equal to S1 by V1 plus in similarly S2 by V2 plus and so on Sn by Vn. We are having Sn by Vn and so on. Then this is the formula to find out the average speed of the object at if they are provided the distances and this they were provided the velocity speed. Now they may ask the question like this, they may ask the special cases like this. Let me take the formula what we written in the last. So I am taking only two values, that is equal to V speed of average speed is equal to, I am taking only two values, S1 plus S2 divided by S1 by V1 plus S2 by V2. I am taking two value. Let me take for this one, what I am taking means S1 is equal to S2, both are same. What will happen? Let me take that value is equal to S. Now use this equation, V average is equal to what is the value? S plus S divided by S by V1 plus S by V2. So if we take the common here, what we will having, we will get the 2S divided by S into 1 plus V1 plus 1 plus V1 plus 1 plus V2, 1 divided by 1 plus V2 we will get. Yes, both are cancelled. If we take the LC, what we will get? V average is equal to 2 divided by 1 plus V1 plus 1 plus V2 we are getting. So will you please look on this one, this formula V average AVG, I am taking V average is equal to 2 divided by, what is the formula we are having? 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2 we are getting. This is the formula. Will you please look on this one? This is nothing but it is the harmonic mean. This formula is nothing but harmonic mean of individual speed. So this is nothing but very important, harmonic mean of individual speed, harmonic mean of individual speed. individual speeds of the object. This definition, they may ask the question, that means if S1 is equal to S2, the value, the average speed value may be, they will provide one of the option, it is the harmonic mean of the individual speed. What does it mean by harmonic mean? We will come across this value also, that is equal to, do this one. So if we take the LCM into 2 into V1 V2 divided by V1 plus V2, this is the formula we are going to use. This value V average, that is the speed average value, which is having two values. Let me go to the, what is the harmonic mean of this value? That means the harmonic mean is nothing but it is the reciprocal of arithmetic mean of a given set of observations. So reciprocal of, that means what I am taking, now I am taking first set, it is having velocity v1, second set is a velocity having v1, that is the how many sets are there, total sets is equal to how many sets are there, 2 is there. Now what is the definition of the harmonic? Reciprocal of arithmetic mean. Now tell me the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is nothing but total set value divided by number of quantities that is having total set. See, reciprocal of arithmetic mean of the given set of observation. So arithmetic mean, now reciprocal of, yes, here is the arithmetic mean is nothing but the reciprocal of arithmetic mean of reciprocal of the given set of observation. So here we are taking the arithmetic mean for the reciprocal of given set of observation. So arithmetic mean means a total number of observation divided by total number of sets. Number of sets is the 2 here, but a number of observation is the V1 and V2, but we need to take mean of reciprocal. Mean of reciprocal means 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2. This is the arithmetic reciprocal of arithmetic mean. So that is equal to reciprocal of arithmetic mean. See what I mean? Reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of the reciprocal we are getting, that we need to reciprocal this one. So how can you reciprocal this one? That is equal to 1 by this one. If we take 1 by this one, 1 minute please. Yes, it is working, no issue. Now come to this one. So what is here? The reciprocal of arithmetic mean of reciprocal. This is the arithmetic mean of reciprocal. We are taking this one, arithmetic mean of reciprocal. Now what is taking? That is the harmonic mean, means we need to take one more reciprocal, then only it will come. So now do this, one more reciprocal means arithmetic mean will come, that is equal to harmonic mean is equal to so that will get 2 divided by 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2. So 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2. Something is not working. Once again I am writing 2 divided by 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2. This is the value we are getting. 1 by V2. This is the value we are getting. Now come to this one, that we are completed harmonic mean. I hope you don't have any doubt here. Once again I am recalling this one. Now let me go to the another case I am going. So the next case is, if they are provided the V1, V2, V3 and so on Vn values, they are provided the time T1, T2, Tn values, they are asking the average speed they are asking. What is the average speed value? Speed average is equal to what is the formula? Speed average is equal to total distance S total divided by T total, we are having formula. Is it correct only, na? But S total is equal to, there we don't have, but one formula is there, speed is equal to distance by time. So speed v is equal to distance by time. We are having distance by time. So that distance is equal to speed into time. This is the formula we are having. Are getting or not? Distance into time we are having. This is the formula we are having. Then this case how much distance is there? That is equal to v1 t1 plus this case how much distance is there? That is equal to v2 t2 plus this case how much distance is there? v3 t3 plus and so on plus and so on. The last case what we are having? vn tn. So vn tn divided by formula we are having. So the total time is equal to, what is the formula? Total time is already provided. So that is equal to t1 plus t2 plus t3 and so on tn. This is the formula we are having. I hope you got. So then we can go to the one special case here when they are having the t1 is equal to t2 is equal to, like that they were having special case we are having. So let me go to the special case in this one. So special case means if they are having the t1 is equal to t2, what is the formula we are having? So V average is equal, tell me the formula anyone? So V1 T1 plus V2 T2 plus and so on Vn Tn divided by, what is the formula? So T1 plus T2 plus T and so on Tn we are having. So just I am taking two values I am taking, that is equal to V1 T1 plus V2 T2 divided by V2 divided by T2, that is equal to T1 plus T2 I am taking. T1 plus T2, that's if only two sets I am taking. Only two sets means first V1 value, second T1 value I am taking. So that means if T1 is equal to T2, T1 is equal to T2, T1 is equal to T2, let me take that is equal to T. Substitute in this above equation, what will happen? So above equation what is having? So V1 plus V2 divided by into T I am taking common, T divided by, so 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 into T we will get, T both will cancel, that is equal, what we will get? V1 plus V2 divided by 2. What does this mean? This is nothing but it is the mean, this is nothing but it is a normal arithmetic mean only. So this is equal to arithmetic mean. So that means in the special case we are if they are provided the if they are providing the, what is the values they are providing? If they are providing the velocity and time, then we can the average speed value what we are getting directly we will get is the arithmetic mean in the special case of T1 is equal to T2. If they are provided the distances and time, what they are having we will get if they are providing the distances and velocity, then what is the average speed we are getting? We are getting the harmonic mean. So that is the very important. So these formulas also very important we are going to use. I hope you understand. Thank you for listening. Thank you.